Hey guys, so we are in Australia. I'm kidding. We are in Chicago, Illinois. We are currently going to the Shed Aquarium with Julie here. So we're gonna go get some sights to see, some fish to make fun of, and yeah. So, State of Chicago, guys. Oh. I'll apologize in advance, so just in case you guys can't hear me, we're gonna go and clear out the first floor, and then we're gonna go downstairs and hopefully get to see more fun stuff. So, so far, I'm already getting tired. I'm hungry. Again, if you guys can't hear me, it's because it is loud here. I don't know if my microphone's gonna pick up anything. And it's super busy right now too, so we're trying to see as much as we can because we have to be back at the hotel at 3 o'clock to check in. So we'll keep you guys updated and we'll go from there. So now, enjoy all the videos. Salmon, guys. Dirty salmon. And look, a shell salmon. It's an ugly salmon. What bad ugly salmon? What'd you do?
I ate half of a pepper.
Was that on purpose?
No, I didn't even see it. When it fell, I put it back in just to look cool, but then I wasn't gonna eat it. What kind of pepper is it?
I don't know.
That's so spicy.
Jalapeno?
Have you seen Scooby-Doo? Where they put ketchup on their tongue when they eat something spicy?
So silly. Hey guys, so we are at the Sharon Hotel in Chicago. So we just got to our hotel right now. We're just waiting for the sun to set so we can go to the sky deck. So currently right now, just drinking a few drinks before we go there. That way we're not bored out of our mind. And then we're just watching Ghost Adventures currently right now. So what we got right now is a wonderful, wonderful view of the Trump Tower. I'm just kidding. But so okay, before I finish this whole clip, I just want to talk about what happened when we were trying to park. So we went and parked down in the pretty much the lower area. When we parked there, my GPS told me that we are in the destination, so I assumed that I'm gonna be where I need to be. Came out, apparently it was not. So we went the opposite way, and then my GPS said I was going the wrong way, so I had to go back the opposite way, and it wasn't the right one. So we decided we were gonna go to the back entrance and see if there's anyone there. We got it, and let's just say that we're in the back side of the hotel, so we have to go all the way to the 3rd floor, which is the main floor, check in, and then get our keys and everything else. But yeah, so it's been I wish that we just did valet parking, because currently right now I regret parking where I parked. So I gotta try to figure out a way to get my car out of there, maybe. But yeah, so far we've done the Shed Aquarium, saw some sharks, did the dolphin show, a bunch of salmons. I'm sure you guys will see that in the next clip here. And then we are You have 3 more, 2 more, 4 more areas to go to, or try to go to, before we finish up the trip to Chicago. But so far so good. Chicago, you guys have been really awesome, and I'll see you guys on the next clip. So
Maybe he didn't listen.
waiting for our Uber. Are you recording?
Yeah, I am. The nightlife in Chicago.
Oh, nightlife. Start recording.
Huh?
Start, keep recording.
I am.
Oh. Looking for our Uber.
This is the Willis Tower.
So waiting. Oh, I think we might be this way.
This one?
Might be, yeah. Yep. So we just got done with the sky deck, and we are currently going to be getting our way back to the hotel. It's been a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, and I can't wait to go and sleep right now because I'm so tired, and drink as well too. So far it's been a beautiful and awesome event. Can't wait for tomorrow. We got a few more spots to go to, and then hopefully by then we should be all done with the whole Chicago trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed the view today, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow. So peace.